they have 71%. Then why we have to only that only? What is the percentage of drinking water in the
3%.
drinking water?
Drinking water, drink all.
In what purpose we can use this type of clean water? Can we use this type of water in drinking purpose or?
Yes, for drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. daily household use.
Have you ever heard about water cycle? You don't know about that?
In a given area, and also when they are all living environment, that is the sun, the earth, soil, water, etc. In and each organism has its own role to play. All the components of the ecosystem are depend on each other, as well as the non-living environment around them. And of community based animals, plants, and humans are part of it. जैसे रखने के प्लेस वाला नंबर मिलाएंगे 38.
Explain beta what is your project about?
Animals include all area that can plant animal and human beings in a given area and also visit non-human environment around them.
Now, I request all the guests to please come and have a look at our project Chandrayaan 3. I welcome all our guests and observers to please come and have a look at
Dilip Kushwaha, Rishabh Kumar Maurya and Viraj Singh. And special thanks to Rahul Singh sir who had been making this working model of Chandrayaan 3. We gave all of our best efforts to make this working model of Chandrayaan 3. This is the third lunar mission by ISRO, launched on 14 July 2023 and landed on the surface of Moon on 23 August 2023. Now the general guidelines of our project will be proceeded by my friend Malleshwar Pratap Singh. Good morning everyone, myself Malleshwar Pratap Singh from class 11. As my friend told you, we are making working model of Chandrayaan 3 with the help of our teacher Rahul sir. Chandrayaan 3 was the third lunar mission. After the failure of Chandrayaan 2, it made more efforts by Chandrayaan 2 in a less price. Chandrayaan 3 was in a 3-stage. First stage was a rocket booster which helps to cross the axis of our Earth. Second stage was the engine named as Vikas engine. Third was the cryogenic engine attached to the LM, which is known as lander module. Its lander named as Vikram and rover named as Pragyan. Lander landed successfully on come in the axis of the moon on 5 August 2023 and successfully land on the south pole of the moon at a 70-degree tilted. The total weight of the lander is about 1,726 kg and the propulsional module is about 2,148 kg and the rover which named as Pragyan is about 26 kg. The total weight of the Chandrayaan 3 was about 3,900 kg. The power provided to a lander module is about 738 volt and the power provided to the propulsional module is about 758 volt. The rover is about 50 volt. The total budget of the Chandrayaan 3 is about 650 crore INR. It successfully launched with the help of the rocket named as the LPM-3M4. Launch site was the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. I hope you understand our project. If any question, you can ask. Now see the working model of Chandrayaan 3.
Now hold your heart as our sensational Chandrayaan 3 is going to launch. Please make a huge round of applause for this wonderful model.
The orchestra, quick. gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The Orcus Group presenting Chandrayaan 3 model. So let's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
प्रांजल कम सर आगे आगे उसको निकालना है। थोड़ा सा माइनस।
You can see the moon surface with the camera attached with the rover.
सर ये मून का सरफेस है और यहाँ से कैमरा आगे लगा है तो वहाँ से माइक
Explain this.
The work of the rover was roving around the moon and find the clues and the suitable gases to. Hope you like the project. Everyone for your loving support. Good day, my class. Myself, Malaysia Batani from class 11. The purpose of lander is about only landing on the moon, and the purpose of rover is different because the rover is freely to roving around the moon. Yes, lander name Vikram and rover name Mr. Somnath S. Somnath. This is currently being currently 2008. And second in 2019. 14 July 2023. And landed on 23 August 2023. Thank you, sir.
Tanzima ma'am, please come on the stage.
What are you?
Tanzima ma'am, please move towards the missile and robot. Tanzima ma'am, please move towards the missile and robot.
Carry a payload to a designated point with the aim of destroying the target. It is an intelligent device for destroying some
targets and enemies. And our project is based on India's first missile to be known as Prahar missile. Prithvi was designed by DRDO under the development of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Prithvi came in service in 1994 and manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited and produced and manufactured on 25th Feb 1988. Prithvi is a single-stage liquid-fueled surface-to-surface ballistic missile. So, further he will explain.
Good morning everyone, myself Krishna Raj from class 11. Prithvi was a nuclear-capable missile. The first missile was developed under IGMDP, known as Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Prithvi was the first indigenous ballistic missile. Its mass was about 4,000 kg and length up to 9 meters. Missiles have borrowed approx of 1 ton and their range is about 150 to 300 kilometers. Indian missiles are generally launched from Odisha from Dr. Kalam Island. Missiles generally have 3 basic systems. First, payload system for telecommunication. Second, guidance system for navigation. Third, propulsion system for oxidizer.
In missiles, water guidance system. In missiles, water guidance.
Guidance system used for navigation.
How can it track? How can it track?
आशीष सर
Three basic system.
How can it attack?
Sir, it's basically first target the enemy and use it as oxidizer for some basic type of pressure in the missile, and it went into the launcher, and when the launcher went up, when the launcher went up, the missile basically gets that pressure by the control system, and its target was set and aimed on the enemy. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Thank you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
बहुत बढ़िया सबको बाहर मिलो handmade drone.
The function of drone is
Loud bowl loud.
when drone is moved in air, various force act on it. The resultant force describe the amount the resultant force describe the movement of drone. When due to weight of the drone, the force of mass drone acting on the direction of gravity. When heavier the mass of drone, more power is required to move the drone. Lift, the vertical force acting on the drone is known as lift. This is due to pressure difference across the drone. Hence the speed, size and shape of propeller decide the amount of lift, thrust if the force acting on the direction of the motion of drone is known as thrust. However, due to drone dynamics, it is normal to the rotor plane. If the thrust is inclined, then the drone will tilt to forward or backward direction. Drag due to if the force acting on the opposite side of motion of direction of drone due to air resistance is known as drag. To reduce the drag, the aerodynamic shift is selected. Movement of drone classified into four types on the basis of relative motion of propeller. Up and down movement of propeller is known as thrust. The up and down movement of propeller is known as throttle. If all four propellers run at normal speed, then the drone will move in downward direction. If all four propellers run at high speed, then the drone will move upward direction. If the force acting on the drone on the left, these four are propellers, and by the four propellers it is also known as quadrupler. If the force acting on the vertical axis, then it is known as pitching. If two rear propeller run at high speed, then the drone will move forward direction. If two front propeller run at high speed, then the drone will move backward direction. If the force acting on the longitudinal axis, it is known as rolling. If two left side propeller run at high speed, then the drone will move if two left side propeller run at high speed, then the drone will move right side direction. If two right propeller run at high speed, then the drone will move left side direction. The rotation of head of drone is on the vertical axis is known as yawing. If the right diagonal run at high speed, then the drone will rotate anti-clockwise. If the left diagonal run at high speed, then the drone rotates clockwise direction. And the uses of drone, it have many advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages are it is go to places where difficult for human to go. It is used to deliver food at the time of natural calamities. The rescue team can find stuck people and can save them. It is also and disadvantages are they are prone to hacking. They are also used for security treatments. They collide with flies and birds also.
So you know Kamikaze drones. Do you know about that?
No, sir.
Show it's working better. Show it's working. Yes, sir.
Give him mic.
वहीं से सीधा ऊपर देना बेटा ऊपर ले जाओ ऊपर और ऊपर अरे ऊपर ले जाओ ठीक है नीचे उतार लो ठीक है नीचे उतार लो
Which is use of motor?
इसकी कंट्रोलिंग बड़ी
We use DC motor to control the speed of propeller.
Motor type?
And we
Motor type?
इनका समय मांग रहे हैं
brushless DC motor.
इधर गुलाब
Good morning, sir. And all of you. Good afternoon, sir. And all of you. Myself, Peter Wall. I study in class 11. My team member is Harsh, Divyansh, Alok. My team project model is which name is Omega 11 India. I would like to talk about the robot. Robot is the branch of technology which with giant construction. Robot is the people from manipulator designed to move the materials, tools, and special UI through the variable function program in robot for the performing the special task. The component of robot is controller, processor, and software. Controller is the similar to the cerebellum. It is control the coordinate of the motion of actuator. Actuator is the part of machine which gives the force and torque and the displacement in the robot. And producer, it is the brain of robot which calculates the motion and velocity of robot joints. And software is operating software and robotic software and collect the all routine data and process. The part of robot is sensor, CPU and power supply and manipulator, indictor, etc. This time the robot is also using all sectors and like the manufacturing, assembly and packaging, transport and earth and space exploration, medical field, and industry.
What are the advantages of robot?
The advantage of robot is they will do all work.
Disadvantage.
Disadvantage of robot is more expensive. That's why our nature are disturbing. And like birds cannot fly in the sky. Unemployment create a high frequency.
Do you know about artificial intelligence?
Yes, I know.
Does robots can have their artificial intelligence?
Person?
And we can put artificial intelligence in that. We can put artificial with robots in that artificial intelligence is a concept.
We have put artificial intelligence by some very programs, and if we put AI without any safety, if AI is out of control, then it is harmful for human and others. With AI with safety features, it will not disturb human and other nature and environment.
Does it have any disadvantage? That we can use in our physical work and mechanical work? Disadvantages. What are these disadvantages of these robots?
There is a frequency which emit by the we disturb the nature and human and for one person there is a problem for their heart frequency with their
So it's like
थोड़ा सर जानते हैं सर कल ये बैटरी ना इन्होंने गलती से ना 12 वोल्ट लगा दी जानते हैं सर वो जला गया मैं रात पूरा पूरा काम करवाया हमको थोड़ा सा कर लो क्या करोगे ये 12 वोल्ट की बैटरी लगा घर से लगा देंगे सब जल गया रिसीवर उस नहीं भी था थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया
electric car and given a presentation by Pragati.
Robots can bring more flexibility in varying environment and make them much more efficient so that their continued human monitoring is not required. Thank you.
Have you any questions? ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास।
Our project model is Aditya, which was launched by at 11:50
डाउन कर लेता है, अप एंड डाउन।
2023. I would like to call Mr. Singh for further details. Thank you. So, Aditya, the World Space Mission, which was planned by Interspace
आगे सर
It will organize science subject for internal for making this project be which very life and I want to go
क्लास 8 के बच्चे वो 11th के थे वो 11th के थे ये 8 के बच्चे
बच्चों ने प्रयास किया तो है नहीं बात है चलिए ठीक है
चंद्रयान सिस्टम भी आदित्य
उनका ऐसा ही था कि हम पलट पलट के लगाएंगे मेज पर था ठीक
चलिए
और अब ये छोटा तो अरे इधर ना लगाइए आगे रुकिए बेटा इधर नहीं अगर इसमें कुछ लगा तो दीवार तोड़ देगा
The Orcus Group presenting the Japan 3 model. So let's.
चलो बहुत अच्छा है
What are the functions of adversity? What are the functions of adversity?
सही 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 सही
अभी जगह ढूंढ रहा है सही जगह
को नीचे भी कर दो नीचे भी कर दो नीचे आ जाओ
Now let us understand what does the diagram in this this is a that is a moon that is a moon analysis when the moon casts its shadow on the earth's solar axis occurs if the sun is completely hidden by the shadow of the moon. It is a total solar eclipse. The solar eclipse when the moon shadow of the moon covers only a part of the sun, then it is a partial solar eclipse. If the sun, the moon, the earth are in a straight line, if the
Water hydrolytic reactor.
Water hydrolytic pressure.
In the series of water pipes.
कितने हो ग्रुप में? बड़ा जितने हो सामने हो गए, सामने हो गए, एक कहाँ गया? क्या दिक्कत है? इधर देखो, इधर
माइक पास करो, माइक पास.
This is our working model. We have prepared the working model of food analysis that you are seeing. Let's start. As we know how important our body is for our life, the body is the vehicle day, therefore we must be prepared to exercise caution on the way. So let's see what we do for the doctor that is kidney stopper. So first thing, let's see what is the function of the kidney. As we all know, the basic function of the kidney is filtration and removal of toxin waste excess from the blood. One function of the kidney is the elimination of urea in the blood. The condition is called urinary and highly difficult and may regulate kidney failure. In such a kidney patient, urea is required to be called hemodialysis. So, hemodialysis stands for two words, hemo and dialysis. Hemo means blood and dialysis means filtration. It means filtration of the blood. If a kidney fails to function properly, then this dialysis machine is used, which acts as an artificial kidney. Dr. William Ford was considered the father of dialysis. This young Dutch physician constructed the first dialyzer for the artificial kidney in 1943. So, now let us understand what does the dialysis machine do. In this, you use connected wire to the dialysis machine. That is EV customer. Then it creates from the connected arteries to the machine. This is a pressure monitor and a pump work together to keep the flow at the right rate. The blood is created from the connected arteries pumped into a dialyzer as an attending function like an apparatus to prevent the clotting. Dialyzer is a box having so many tubes made up of semi-permeable membrane and outside the tube is a dialyzer having the same composition as that of plasma except continuous phase. The four cellophane membrane of the tube allow the passage of molecules based on concentration gradient. As nitrogenous waste is active in the dialysis fluid, this substance freely moves out thereby cleaning the blood. And the clean blood goes under the pressure monitor and a air trap to make sure it is safe to move back to your body. And here the clean blood is brought to your body through a vein after adding an anti-balance state. And here the other side there are two containers. One container is filled with urea which is taken out by filtering the blood, and the other one has fresh dialysis solution which will be sent at this time whenever we need the fresh dialysis solution. This method is worn for thousands of private patients all over the world. So this is our working model. Hope you will like it. Thank you so much. Because if the kidney fails, we बोलेंगे लोग ना which is at the
There are three members, Yashasvi Srivastava, Sakya Singh and I myself Neha Singh. So it's my model accident reduction system in here with Medicine. As we have many problems while driving on hills, particularly at hairpin benders and tight corners. When driver is skeptical, if vehicle is moving across the left side of the corner. Ever thought how simple it would be by knowing that if there is another vehicle coming from the other end of the right corner. Now I am going to introduce what is hairpin bend or a blind corner. Hairpin bend or a blind corner is a turn on the road where the view of what is behind the corner is obstructed.
सभी छात्र ध्यान से सुने। सभी छात्र ध्यान से सुने। डिग्री कॉलेज में जो भी बच्चे बस से आए हैं, डिग्री कॉलेज में जो भी बच्चे बस से आए हैं, वो नीचे आए, यूकेजी क्लासरूम में बैठ के डिग्री कॉलेज से जो भी बच्चे हमारे पास आए हैं, वो नीचे आके बैठे यूकेजी में। डिग्री कॉलेज से जो भी बच्चे डिग्री कॉलेज गाँव से जो भी बच्चे आए हैं, वो नीचे आके बैठे, नीचे आके यूकेजी में आप बैठिए। ITI वाले बच्चे भी नीचे आइए, ITI के बच्चे भी नीचे आइए। जितने बच्चे बाईपास आए हैं वो नीचे आके बैठिए, नीचे आके यूकेजी क्लासरूम में बैठिए।
What are inclined then?
So inclined beams are the machines that have flat surface, one is higher than another.
You are simple machine.
Yes, sir.
What is script?
So it is. So children, it is first class level.
Which types of level?
So this is the first class level. In this type of video, the curriculum is placed between the truth and the effort. My name is Aisha Kishavani from class 9 and my team members are Anushka, Ashmita and Varsha. Our project is working model of heart.
What are complicated machine? What are complicated machine?
डिग्री कॉलेज से जो लोग बस से आए हैं वो नीचे यूकेजी क्लासरूम में बैठिए। डिग्री कॉलेज से जो भी बच्चे बस से आए हैं वो नीचे यूकेजी क्लासरूम में बैठिए।
The main purpose of our turn is to exert force and motion. The power transmission system where static or dynamic force of result are transmission through. Good afternoon, my name is Ananya Mishra and on the special event of science exhibition we had made this project and our project is hydraulic launcher. In this concept we have developed fluid and it works. Thank you. The structure of DNA model. In this model, my sir, we have made this project human eye. Human eye is a sensory organ part of our sensory nervous system. It reacts to human light, allows to human visual information for various purposes, including seeing, controlling, following and maintaining circadian rhythm. Human eye faces showing a visual content, a white cornea, a light release, a black pupil, and its orbit surrounded by eyelashes. New base recorded with the letter A, T, G, and C is added behind its coordinate cycle.
Difference between DNA and RNA.
The full form for DNA is Now, I will show you how what hydroponic is. Hydroponic was first in 1947 coined by Dr. William Patrick Garrett, aptly known as father of hydroponics. The word hydro means water and porous means plant. It is a technique which when plants using soil, utilizing technology, the root sector of organic nutrient water. Aeroponic is a Greek word which means air. Aeroponic is a process of growing plants in air or mist environment without using or mixing the root with hydroponic solution, which are suspended in the air. Aeroponic is a subgroup of the hydroponic, where the plant is suspended in the glass enclosure while a nutrient-dense solution is shared on the root at the center in the air. Advantage of the aeroponic farming: year-round cultivation, because plant cultivation in the controlled environment crop may be produced year-round cultivation. How to be affected by
generated by tapping the flame motor. Hydraulic power is generated by many ways. The most common way to build a hydroelectric dam on a river. This project is a small-scale version which demonstrates how a hydroelectric dam works around the world. A typical dam converting the potential energy into kinetic energy and electrical energy. First, the dam blocks the flow of water, create a block the flow of river, create a magnetic reserve, and destroy in the form of another side of the dam. Due to gravity, water travels to the other side of the dam. A hollow panel This is your working project? Yes, sir. So it's working. with very high pressure and speed. When the water turbine have a very large the turbine will be as well as reconnected to the generator. Continuous flow by mechanical energy will utilize the maximum.
नहीं अभी सब गार्जियन आ रहे हैं, कैसे होगा? गार्जियन आ रहे हैं।
Students, please stand aside your project as Ryan is going to explain your project. Two street lights are connected with battery and lead. When T is closed, then current start to flow in the circuit. When T is open, then current will not flow in the circuit. In series circuit, single key is used. In parallel circuit, two street lights are connected with four switches, and when if any key is closed, then current start to flow in the circuit. Multiple keys used in parallel circuit. I want to call Sakshi to more explain
Difference between series and parallel.
Group members of circuit morphology and anatomy project circuit. Please come current flowing near your project right now. Object and different voltage. In parallel circuit. Students of human morphology and anatomy project, please come near your project right now. Used in our home.
What are electric circuitry? What are electric circuit? What are circuit? Only
Circuit resistance is a property due to which flow of current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Current loses left in all the students. Please stand near your project. Series circuit resistance is more, therefore, and current lose is less.
both paths through electric current.
All the students, please stand near your project. Refreshment distribution is going on. Please take your refreshment by R. Or here V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. I is equal to V upon R.
Affecting of current through resistance. Effect of resistance.
Slow down the current. Class 6 Navneet, please come near your project. Class 6 Navneet. Problem of global warming. As agricultural irrigation reduces greenhouse gas emission directly from the soil or indirectly through the use of renewable energy. Conflict and fragility are at the core of some big challenges today. They are able to hinder development process and reverse any development aims. The Renewable Energy Initiative aims to reduce knowledge gap and strengthen institutions to enhance agricultural production and improve food security, and ultimately contributing to a peaceful society for sustainable development. Now my teammates Vishnu Metropolitan is about this project. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vishnu Metropolitan. I study in class 6. I am going to explain you how clouds form. Due to sun heat, the water from the water bodies evaporate and form clouds. Now my teammate Ayush Mishra will tell you more about the project. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ayush Mishra. I am studying in class 6. Now I am explain how rain occurs. When cloud is formed by processes of evaporation, condensation, or melting occurs, water droplets dispersed to fall on the land, the surface which is covered. Now my teammate Akash Maurya will tell about you
Project.
What is irrigation? Irrigation.
Irrigation is the method to grow food.
What?
Irrigation is the method to sir red वाला इसमें black वाला इसमें
Not irrigation.
हटा दो बैठिए बैठिए
My name is Siddhi Pandey from class 8. Good morning all the teachers and dear friends. My name is Siddhi Pandey from class 8. Today on the special day science exhibition, me and my group have prepared a project on modern village. We describe the situation of current village of our Indian society. Now next part will be explained by Shishti. Bari district Dholpur, a small and remote village of Rajasthan, has developed India's first smart village. Smart village is a concept adopted by a national, state, local government of India as an initiative focused on a holistic area development derived from a Mahatma Gandhi vision by Adarsh Ram for promotion of modern village concept. Thank you. Now, Shreya is explaining the project. This is a working model of modern village, and for making this project more attractive and useful, we are using Karma project. It will show that the development of village describe the condition of village. In village, there is no development, there is no electricity supply, and there is no education, better education level, and hospitals, power of implement. So in the modern village, there is many facilities to give to people. There is two parts. There is a polluted, there is a unpolluted. It is a polluted. In the polluted side, I have a factory base. There is also factory base, car, worker, and here is going dirty water. In the unpolluted side, I have a large number of trees, humans, and pet animals. And here is solar panel, houses, it's working windmill, dam, river, ending point is here. I would like to call my friend Vedant, tell more about it. Good afternoon, respected sir and ma'am. I am Vedant of class. I am going to tell you about global warming of global increase to the Earth's surface, mainly due to the greenhouse effect caused by carbon dioxide, CFC, and other pollutants. Now my friend,